Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is, what can I do to improve my speaking skills? If you are a learner, especially a new learner, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share a few tips with you that may help you to improve your speaking skills. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Number 1. Start from basic. If you are a new learner, it is very important to start from basic. Start from basic simple sentences, basic simple question and answer. Once you feel comfortable with these, move on to more complex sentences. Remember, don't stress on grammar. I'm not saying grammar is not important. Grammar is equally important, but that is the second stage of learning language. The first step is you have to start speaking. So start speaking with simple sentences. Number 2. Find a speaking partner for yourself. Find someone with whom you can speak comfortably. It could be a friend, your family member, your language exchange partner, or it could be a tutor. Speaking someone who is good at English will not only motivate you, but it will also boost your confidence. You can exchange new words with each other. Also, you will get an idea of the flow of the conversation. Number 3. Start reading aloud. Reading aloud is a great way to learn English. Collect some reading material like English book, magazine, newspaper, article, anything that you like to read. Start reading that aloud. While reading, focus on your pronunciation, your voice intonation. With the help of this, you will get more comfortable with the rhythm of the language. Also, you can improve your pronunciation. Number 4. Start listening audiobooks. Also, you can improvise and you can watch videos, English videos, movies, cartoons, lectures. Also, you can watch interviews. There are lots of learning material available online for learners. You can take help of those. Also, you can practice the phrases and sentences that you have learned from the videos and the audiobooks on daily basis. Number 5. Make a vocab diary. In that, you can note down each and every new word that you come across. Also, start making sentences, start preparing sentences with the help of those new words that you have noted down in the vocab diary. Last but not the least, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, it's completely fine to make errors while learning a new language. It's the natural process of learning. So be comfortable, keep practicing. One day you will achieve your goal. If you find these tips helpful, then follow for more. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.